Here you will see a typical high school or middle school Canvas homepage. Above, you'll see the icons to a Google Meet schedule. So if you click that, eventually there will be Google Meets in that box. This takes you directly to the teacher email, which will allow you to send that teacher an email directly. This is to Infinite Campus login, where you'll see official grades and messages. This takes you to the calendar, which shows all courses for that student, including due dates, assignments, events, and announcements. Here you will see the Google voicemail for that teacher. Below, you will have a short description of the week, and here is where you can go to each day. If I click on a day, right there, it will take you. You will always find the learning target, the assignment links, instructions, and often a video example of what the expectations for the day are. And this would follow that each day of the week is done right there. So that's an overview of the Canvas homepage for teachers.